দিক থেকে অর্থনৈতিক দিক থেকে রাজনীতিগতভাবে তাদের দিকে ক্যালকুলেট থেকে তাকায় না। দেখতে পাচ্ছি দলিতদের উপর অত্যাচার বাড়ছে, যে কথাটা আমি এবং বলেছি যে স্বাধীনতার ৭৮ বছর পেরিয়ে গেলেও আজ পর্যন্ত
Today is the great day on the part of myself, T.C. Das, National Coordinator, Silkas Department, AICC, that I have been appointed as the coordinator to look after the interests of the Congress Party, particularly the Silkas Department, in Tripura, Agartala, along with the other states. It is a matter of great pleasure on my part that I have got all my friends, office bearers of the Tripura Pradesh Congress Committee, as well as the district, block and other honorable members. Those are taking part in this meeting. I am optimistic that we all unitedly be able to spread the ideology of Baba Saheb Ambedkar, Indian Constitution, as well as the ideology of Congress Party, who has rendered their best services during the year 140 years till now. An aim and object of Rahulji is that the BJP and RSS-led government has destroyed the image of the Indian Constitution and trying to establish all the clauses of the Indian Constitution. Aim and object of Congress Party is that the Indian Constitution is the head of all religions, everything else, and where being the Congress person have to implement in India, and we have to get rid from the problems arisen by the RSS and BJP-led government. They are doing their best to offer all the things to the corporate groups. The corporate groups, in a sense, Ambani, Adani, what the property is there, they would like to give them. And the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji, is one of the person who is doing against the Constitution, and what he is telling and doing unlikely in as per advice of the RSS. ये जो हमारा संविधान है, संविधान में already has declared ourselves that the we the people of India have the sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. This ideology is going to be collapsed by the government of India, headed by RSS and BJP. And we today, being the coordinator of the Silkas Department of AICC, would like to request all our Pradesh Congress Committee office bearer to restore justice for the upliftment of the Constitution, to implementation of the Constitution for the upliftment of the people. We all know that today you have seen that one person from northeastern region has killed undemocratically in the state where BJP is ruling. It is unfortunate, and we should condemn this type of activities of the BJP-led government. I am optimistic that being the SC department, in a sense, the SC persons are the people of India equally with the other people of the nation. The monopolist thoughts of the RSS BJP dislike to give equal justice to the Dalits, Adivasi, minorities. In a sense, minorities not the Muslim, Sikh, Jain, Buddhists, all are minorities. In our constitution, everything is given, but monopoly thought is being unlikely. You know, the corporate groups are getting all the facilities by the BJP-led government. Suppose any tenders, what is given, more than 100 crores, so that outsider is coming and all the allotted funds can be consumed by them. And in similar senses, in a job, there is no job in government arena, and privatization is there in terms of the Company Act 1956. They have diverted the job to the Company Act where no share of the Dalits, SC, ST, OBCs are here, and they are doing all this based for the betterment of the RSS BJP's ideology, Bonubari ideology. We oppose. Our honorable leader Rahul Gandhi is always telling that we all are equal in the nation. Whose percentage is more, they should get the more percentage. Whose less should get the less percentage. Today you verify in the Ministry of the Union of India, then you get a community is getting all these things. I am optimistic that today, with the help of our all Congress person here, Silka's department, I am thankful to them. I hope that the Pradesh Congress Committee also will give the equal facilities, rights to the Silka's people, to the committee of the Silka's wings, so that we can unitedly do our best for the betterment of the nation, and we can make our Rahul Gandhi as the Prime Minister of India and onward. And for this reason, we are to be unitedly spread our ideology against the misdeeds of the BJP and RSS, and we should let them know, the people should let them know that the BJP and RSS doing unlike the Constitution of India. One example I am telling you. Suppose the article was saying the name of our country, India, that is Bharat, United States. There are some posts, मान के चलिए आप गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का सारा पोस्ट इसमें है, जो है एसएससी है, आरआरबी है, आरआरसी है, जो है एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंज है, they should select the candidate from the local area. But really not doing that. Instead of the article saying, one saying that Union of India, there is Union, name of the country, Union of States. स्टेट का अलग है, यूनियन का अलग है. यूनियन में जो पोस्ट है स्टेट में होता है, उसको या का लोगों को लेना है. बट नाउ आरएसएस बीजेपी इज नॉट डूइंग लाइक दैट. एंड अकॉर्डिंगली ये सब बहुत सारी बात है, वो बाद में तो हम डिस्कस जो करेगा एज पर एडवाइस ऑफ द हाई कमीशन विल डू अकॉर्डिंगली. एंड हम आई एम ऑप्टिमिस्टिक दैट वी प्रदेश कांग्रेस कमिटी त्रिपुरा विल डू आवर बेस्ट to upgrade the ideology of Indian Constitution, ideology of Indian Congress Party, and we ensure you that unitedly getting your support, we make out the BJP RSS from the India, and our honorable leader Rahul Gandhi would be the Prime Minister of India, so that we can give justice each of the Indian nation, each of the people, each of the states, everywhere like that. Thank you. Jai Bhim, Jai Bharat, Jai Sangvidhan. Thank you to all.
যে এখনো কিন্তু আমাদের ভারতবর্ষে সেই ব্রাহ্মণ্যবাদী সংস্কৃতি, সেই মনুবাদী সংস্কৃতি বিদ্যমান রয়েছে. জয় বাবা, জয় মাতা.